Hello students, let us start exercise 12.3 of chapter 12 class 10. Find the area of the shaded region in the given figure if PQ is, here PQ is given to you, that is 24 centimeter and PR is 7 centimeter and O is the center of the circle. So here QR is the diameter of the circle according to given figure. And we have to find the area of this one shaded part. So students, you can see as QR is the diameter. So therefore RPQ is a semicircle. And we have to subtract the area of triangle PQR from a semicircle to find the area of the shaded part. So we can find the area of triangle PQR as PR is 7 centimeter and PQ is 24 centimeter. But before that we have to find angle P. Here angle RPQ is equal to 90 degree. Why? Because angle subtended by diameter is of 90 degree, and in this question QR is diameter, so angle P is of 90 degree. So we can find the area of triangle. Area of triangle PQR will be 1 by 2 into base into height. So it will be 1 by 2 into 7 into 24. 84 centimeter square. Now we have to find the area of semicircle. To find the area of semicircle, we have to find the value of the diameter. So by Pythagoras theorem, in triangle PQR, we can find QR as PR square plus PQ square whole under the root. And QR will be 7 square plus 24 square under the root. And it will be 625 under the root, and it will be 25 centimeter. So radius will be QR by 2 because QR is diameter. So it will be 25 by 2 centimeter. So therefore area of semicircle will be pi r square by 2. Here we have to take pi is equal to 22 by 7 and radius is 25 by 2, 25 by 2. So we can solve it, and this area will be equal to, this will be 6875 by 28 centimeter. Now we have to find the shaded part. To find the area of shaded part, it will be area of semicircle minus area of triangle PQR. So we can find it very easily, and we can put the value of area of semicircle here, and area of semicircle is 245.54 centimeter square. So we can subtract the area of triangle from the area of semicircle to get the area of shaded part. So area of shaded part will be 161.54 centimeter square. Question number 2. In question number 2, the figure is given. Find the area of the shaded region in the given figure if radii of two concentric circles. Concentric circles means circles which have same center but different radii, with center O are 7 centimeter. So a radius of inner circle is 7 and radius of outer circle is 14 centimeter. And we have to find the area of shaded part. So here area of shaded part will be, you can see that some part of a sector is shaded. Area of shaded part is equal to area of outer sector, and outer sector is AOC, minus area of inner sector, and inner sector is BOD, and here central angle is of 40 degree. Theta is 40 degree. So we can find the shaded part. Therefore, area of shaded part is equal to theta upon 360 into pi capital R square minus theta upon 360 pi into small r square. We can take theta upon 360 into pi common and it will be capital R square minus small r square. So by putting the values, we will get 14 square minus 7 square. Here we can solve it by using the identity a square minus b square. That is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Theta is 40 degree by 360. 22 upon 7 into 14 plus 7, it will be 21. And 14 minus 7, it will be 7. 154 by 3 centimeter square, and you can convert it into decimal to find the answer in decimal. Question number 3. Again the figure for the question 3 is given. Here A, B, C, D is a square and two semicircles are removed from this square and this one part is shaded. Now we have to find the area of the shaded part. So very clear from the figure that you have to subtract the area of two semicircles from the area of the square. So here the side of square is 14 centimeter. So according to question, diameter of semicircle is 14 centimeter. So radius will be 7 centimeter. So therefore area of shaded part area of square minus area of two semicircles. So therefore side into side minus 2 multiplied by pi r square by 2. Or you can say we have to subtract the area of a circle from the area of a square. So 14 into 14 minus 22 upon 7 into 7 into 7. And we will get 196 minus 154 and it will be equal to 42 centimeter square. This is the solution of this question. Next question. Question number 4. Find the area of the shaded region in the figure where a circular arc of radius 6 cm has been drawn with vertex O of an equilateral triangle OAB. Meaning here triangle OAB is equilateral triangle and where each side is 12 cm. And radius of the arc drawn by us is 6 centimeter. So we can say the radius of such circle will be 6, and because triangle AOB is equilateral triangle, so its each angle is of 60 degree. And we have to find the area of shaded part. Here this complete part is shaded. See triangle and circle. But when I am shading triangle, I have also shaded some part of my circle. So it means in remaining part of circle is a sector of circle. So we have to find the area of triangle and the area of above sector, or you can say this is a major sector, and we can also say that area of shaded part is equal to area of circle plus area of triangle minus area of sector, because this sector is common among all these, or you can say area of triangle plus area of major sector. Here side of triangle is OAB 12 centimeter and radius is 6 centimeter. So therefore area of shaded part area of triangle AOB plus area of major sector. Why I am saying it major sector? Because angle that is given to us means 60 degree is for minor sector. Whenever the measure of angle is less than 180, it means that will represent minor sector. If the angle is greater than 180, then it will represent major sector. So if I take here angle 60, I will get the area of minor sector, but I am directly going to find the area of major sector. So here triangle ABC is equilateral triangle in AOB. Angle A is equal to angle O is equal to angle B. This will be of 60 degree. Now I want to find this one angle. So this one angle will be of 300 degree. That means for major sector I have to take theta is equal to 300 and radius will be same. There will be no change in radius. So we can find the area. And area of equilateral triangle is under root 3 by 4 into side square. And for area of sector, theta upon 360 pi r square. So by putting the values we can find this area. So area of triangle will be 36 root 3 centimeter square and area of major sector will be 660 by 7 centimeter square. So this is the area of the shaded part or in given figure. If the value of root 3 is given in question, then we can solve it for the next steps. Next question number 5. Again there is a square of side 4 centimeter and square is A, B, C, D. Now 4 quadrants of 1 centimeter are removed from its each corner like this. And from the center a circle with diameter 2 centimeter is removed. This one circle. So if its diameter is 2 centimeter, then its radius will be 1 centimeter. And radius for quadrant is also 1, 1, 1, 1. So it means the radius of these quadrants and the radius of this circle both are same. So 4 quadrants enough always form a circle. Here radius of quadrant is 1 centimeter and diameter of inner circle is 2 centimeter. So therefore its radius is also 1 centimeter. So therefore area of shaded part is equal to area of square minus area of 2 circles. As the circles are of same radii, so we can directly subtract their area. 4 into 4 minus 22 upon 7 into r square, radius is 1 into 1 and because there are 2 circles, so we have to multiply it by 2 also. And it will be 16 minus 44 by 7 and we can say 7 as LCM 112 minus 44 and we will get 68 by 7 centimeter square as the area of the shaded part. Next, question number 6. In a circular table cover of radius is 32 centimeter. A design is formed leaving an equilateral triangle. Here, triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. So, angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C. It means each angle is of 60 degree. In the middle as shown in the figure, find the area of the design. We have to find the area of design here. So students, the area of design is equal to the area of circle minus area of triangle. But point to be noted, here side of triangle is not given. So we have to think for another solution for this question. Here this one is the center of the circle O. Join B to O and O to C. As angle A is of 60 degree, so angle BOC will be of 120 degree because angle subtended by arc BC on the circle is of 60 degree. So angle subtended by it on the circle will be double this angle. So by this property, the angle BOC will be of 60 degree. Similarly, we can find angle AOB. This angle will be double of angle C. And angle AOC, this will be double of angle B. So here each central angle is of 120 degree. So it means to find the area of design, we will find the area of three segments. Here area of design is equal to area of three segments, where theta is equal to 120 degree and radius is already given. So we can find 3 into theta upon 360 pi r square. 3 into 60 upon 120 because central angle is 120 into 22 upon 7 multiplied by 32 into 32. So we can solve it to find the area. Incomplete formula is this, r square minus by 2 sin theta, and it will be 32 into 32 by 2 sin 120 degree. Students, here you have to remember that sin 120 is equal to sin 60 and its value will be under root 3 by 2. So area of design will be 22,528 by 7 minus, when you solve this part after putting the value of sin 120 as under root 3 by 2, you will get 768 root 3. So this is the area of design. Next, question number 7. Question number 7. In the figure, ABCD is a square of side 14 centimeter. Here side of square is given to us as 14 centimeter. A, B, C, D are 4 vertices drawn such that each circle touch externally 2 of the remaining 3 circles. Find the area of the shaded part. So figure is given, meaning it means at the vertices of a square we have to draw 4 circles, and the remaining part of this square is shaded and we have to find the area of this one part. So you can see, if we subtract the area of 4 quadrants 1, 2, 3 and 4 from the square ABCD, we will get the area of shaded part. Here area of shaded part is equal to area of square minus area of 4 quadrants. As the quadrants are of same size, So they will form, sorry, a complete circle, and area of square is side into side minus 4 into pi r square by 4, and it will cancel. Side of square is 14. So 14 into 14 minus 22 upon 7. Now the question is this, what we have to take the radius? As it is clear from the figure that half of the side of the square is equal to the radius of quadrant. So we have to take it as 7. 196 minus 154, and area of shaded part will be 42 centimeter square.